Hi, I'm Julieanne KOst. Here's how easy it is to export a before and after video showing the edits that you've made to a photo that you can then share on social media. First, let's make some edits to the photo. I'll start by changing the profile to Adobe Landscape. Then I'll make changes to the exposure, as well as the highlights and the shadows in the light panel. I'll move to the color panel and adjust the white balance temperature slider. Then, in Effects, I'll add a little bit of dehaze and a slight vignette to darken down the edges. In Masking, I'll select the sky mask and then I can darken it. I'll add a second mask, this time a linear gradient, and then darken down the foreground. Finally, I'll crop the photo, but of course you can make whatever changes you'd like. With the edits done, I'll choose the share icon and then create edit replay. Lightroom is looking at all of the changes that I made and will create a time-lapse video. When Lightroom's finished, we can share the video using any of the options that appear here or save the video to the device's native camera app. I'll move to Photos so we can watch the video. The video shows a split screen of before and after, does a cool wipe, and then shows the changes that were made to the photo, including the profile, cropping, the light and color panels, effects, and masking. I'm Julieanne KOst. Thanks for watching.